two, three. My name is Michael. What's your name? Alright, are you happy today? Are you happy today? Speak loud. Yes, I am. I'm happy today. My name is Michael. What's your name? Alright, can you tell me what's the table color? Its color is red. Its color is red. Okay, its color is red. Its color is red. Okay, can you bang on the table? Yeah? So let's have fun, right? So I'll count 1, 2, 3, and you will start banging, alright? And then when I will say stop, alright, you will stop, okay? 1, 2, 3, get started! Stop, alright. Now again, I will say 1, 2, 3. When you listen 3, you will bang, alright? 1, 2, 5. I didn't say 3, alright? So when I will say 3, no. When I will say 3, then you will bang, alright? 1, 2, 6. Alright, again. 1, 2, 3, bang! Now show me your both hands up. Good job. Alright, I will count 1, 2, 3, and you will start banging, alright? Alright? So get ready to roll the ball over, right? 1, 2, 3, bang! I will say 1, 2, 3, and you will clap with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, clap! Alright, now you clap on your thighs. Where are the thighs? Touch your thighs, touch your thighs. Okay. Now you just clap on your thighs, alright? 1, 2, 3, slap! Fast, alright? Totally faster, alright? Slow. Slow. Fast! Slow, slow, slow. Fast! Slow and fast. Yes? Okay, now you slap fast, alright? Quickly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, slap! Good job. Now I will count 3 and you will clap. 1, 2, 3, clap! Alright. Now what can you see in my hands? What's this? It's a ball. What's this? No, you said it's a ball. What's this? It's a football. Alright. There's a new answer, right? No, it's so inspiring. Football. Its color is white. What's this color? Its color is white. Alright. What's this color? Not white. Its color is white. Its color is white. Its color is white. Alright, just nod your head and say with me, repeat after me. Its color is white. Its color is white. Its color is white. I will say its color is white. Alright, what's its size? Big or small? Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Big, 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 big. Small, 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 small. Big! Small! Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. What's its size? Its size is big! Alright, I can dribble. See, I can dribble. Can you dribble? Yes. Can you dribble? Yes. I can. Alright, do you like this ball? Yes. I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like this ball. I like this football. Its color is white. Good job. Everybody, now look back. Let's wrap up our class. Alright, let's look into the camera.